This week's mission will focus on removing a sounder from a landfill that is overran with pigs. After receiving a phone call from the city and scoping out the area, Tiffany and I arrive on site on June 18th and put our feeder up with a camera to begin collecting intel and try to get a count on the pigs. It doesn't take very long at all and we get our first notification at 16:41. I watch over the next few hours and it appears that different pigs are hitting this bait site. I make a judgment call to go back out and turn the feeder up. I arrive at the bait site and much to my surprise there are pigs standing close by just watching. They're waiting for me to hurry up and do whatever I came to do so they can get back to munching down. I adjust the amount of bait being put out and 30 minutes later there's yet another sounder that has shown up. If you look in the background you can even see some more adults. I watch as the sounder appears to grow in numbers and on the morning of the 21st I notice something peculiar. Notice in the background there is someone unloading construction debris and the pig is unfazed by it. This may help our capture success. Step 2 of our capture success matrix is proprietary and not shown on our YouTube channel. On the 24th, Tiffany, Rod, and myself install our trap. We do a test drop, lift the gate, insert our safety pin, we bait 4 to 6 feet away from the gates, and reset the other gate before exiting and removing our safety pin. Only 20 minutes later, we get our first notification. We are sitting on the tailgate of a truck about 100 yards away watching the trap. We pull up our JAGER PRO app and hit record. We let the pigs get inside a safe distance before sending the drop gate command. After dispatching the pigs, we remove them from the trap and snap a quick photo. If you look closely to the left of the screen, the next group is patiently waiting their turn to enter the buffet. We watch the second group walk off into the woods and make the command decision to get the dispatch group removed. We quickly snap a photo and load them up and drive away from the trap. Five minutes later, our second sounder has shown up and wastes very little time getting into the trap. Again, we pull up our JAGER PRO app, hit record, and wait for the pigs to get a safe distance inside the trap before sending the drop gate command. We quickly dispatch the sounder, line them up dress right dress, and snap a photo for our and the landfill's records. While I was resetting the trap, Rod removed the fetuses from the pregnant sows, totaling 16. This large sounder was on its way to becoming even larger. So far we have captured and removed 26 of 27. Rod and I set up our chairs and play the waiting game. Shortly after midnight I hear something walking behind me. I turn on my thermal scope, line the crosshairs up for a good shot, and I lay number 27 down in his tracks.
Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment, learn more about integrated wild pig control methods, or locate our nearest authorized dealers. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel to view the entire instructional video series, or like our Facebook page. If you have a segment idea, or just want to leave us a comment or suggestion, feel free to email us at info@jagerpro.com.